Assalamualaikum, my dear brothers. Today I will unbox my ring light and my microphone. This 12-inch ring light. This is the 12-inch ring light. This is the mobile holder. This is camera holder. At this moment now I stand ring light stand. Now I unbox the ring light stand. It is the ring light stand. So beautiful. কথা ring light. Already my ring light setup done. Now I can open this ring light. Bismillah. Wow. Setup done. Wow. 3 in 1. 3 light system in my ring lights. Lights. It's my mobile holder. This is my ring light. 12-inch ring light. It's my stand. It's my charging cable power supply. Okay, now I unbox my microphone. It is Songsing brand. This microphone model name BM800 PM800 plus B8. It's microphone with sound card. This is B8 model sound card, and this is microphone, this is cough filter, and this is stand. Now I unbox this, okay? Wow. Finally, my open my dream box. This is a microphone. First I got it. This is the cough filter of this microphone. This is plastic foam. This is USB for charging. This is the user manual. And this is the sound card, volume, echo, many others mode on this microphone to talk with you, to talk this video. This is the part of a stand in my microphone. This is the cover on this microphone. This is the cover on this microphone. Black cover. Everything is black. Here I have a many cable to connect power supply, and this is connect by sound card. And this is my microphone. It's heavyweight. This microphone, so wonderful, golden color. Now I set up microphone stand in my desktop, and this is my microphone, and this is my microphone stand, and this is my ring light stand, and this is my mobile holder, and this is the sound card line, power supply from this. আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আপনারা কি আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, চেষ্টা করছি সবাই আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম, my dear friends. Today I will come back on YouTube. I hope everyone are so well, but I am not well. Oh, really? I am well, but my content creation journey are not good.